Hello and welcome once again to another presentation we have here on Microsoft Access. So this week we're asked to create a database to keep track of candidates for our open positions at Secure Systems Incorporated database management experts. So what I did was I created some fictional candidates for the job, as you see here. I just took random names from video games and other fictional characters and put them together as candidates. And what Access does, it provide a candidate ID number for each of these. Now, that candidate ID, along with this job opening number and along with the interview ID, I created a relationship with. So the candidate ID here and the candidate ID here have a relationship. The job openings ID within the interviews table has a relationship with the job openings ID within job openings, so that all I have to do is use the ID numbers rather than know every name or whatever the field required by heart. I can just know by number and be able to add data into the field. What this project was really looking for, however, was the idea of how to query and find things within your database. So what you can see here is that we have a query here. And when I opened that query, what they asked us to do was to, let me go into design view here. And they asked us to take the data that we created, and they wanted to rank, okay, all the people who were ranked a 3 or lower for the database admin and interview job, which was number 2, as you can see here in the criteria. So under job openings ID, I put a 2, and here I put less than or equal to 3. And what that did was, when I hit run, it gave me that, and it gave me 3 candidates that were less than 3 for the job opening for database administrator. So overall, this assignment was very good. I really enjoy working within Access. The only problem I had with this was when I was creating the relationships. You have to remember to close out all of these windows up here. Otherwise, you're going to get error messages when you try to create your relationships. And that was the only problem I had to. But it took me about maybe five minutes or so to figure out what was going on here. And I was able to resolve it. As you can see here in the relationships, basically what this is saying is it creates a infinite relationship. So as these numbers change, this number will change and that number will change, so that it always stays concurrent. We created 3 tables here. As you can see, these are my tables that I still have open at the top, and then there was my query. So overall, I found this to be, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest, I found this to be like a 6. Now, hopefully, I get a good grade, and turns out to be everything is okay. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.